BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, in the profit, we get this down move we mentioned, we can expect the price correct and drop some more. But if we get a reversal, we can look for buy. Okay. Anyway, the only way we could look for buy when the price was here. And after we see this kind of the move, this is where we should take out the trade. No one see what's the next. In this case, we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, even we mentioned the way is correcting here. We need to be quite careful if anyone wants to look for buy. As we can see, we get this down move because we mentioned maybe we can any correction here we can relate in relate. Put in relative to any of this. Okay. Now, how deep it can go? But still we can, if we get the buy setup, we'll be more interested. But based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. And if we move to forward chart right now, we're looking at this. As long as this one haven't retested the previous low, this low, we can put as a correction in relative to this. And that's what we got here. All right, that means we can put this one in relative to this. Any reversal from here will be more interested similar to what we get here, either from here similar to what we get here or this one. Any reversal, the sharp move, lag, correction, we take the trade. Okay, that's why right now we're looking at this. We want to see how we can look for buy. And based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. And if I move to 1 hour chart, and even based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. But any reversal with a sharp move like, we will be more interested to look for trade. But as I mentioned, as long as this one haven't retested the previous low, still we can put in relative to this as a correction. But this one, if turned to a corrective and deeper and retest almost 540, then we need to look at the entire structure differently. Maybe this one turn to a flat. All right, but from what we have right now, any reversal with a sharp move flag, we can look for trade for buy. Having a trade above this is not a really good idea unless this one retest this one 560, then we can have entry above this in case the price sharply reverse from here. But right now, the only way is we need to get a sharp move flag before we take the trade. Anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.